because I was married 3 times, and I guess this works. Listen up. They buy you dinner, open your door, roll the little man, what are they good for? They're just men talking about men. They all want a girl just like the girl that'll marry dear old dad. That make me so mad, man. Talking about men. Woo! Well, you can't beat them up 'cause they're bigger than you. You can't live with them and you just can't shoot them, man. Talking about those men. They love their toys, they make their noise. They're nothing but a bunch of overgrown boys. See you, Reeves, talking about men. Well, if you give them what they want, they'll never fall in love. Don't give them nothing they can't get enough of, man. I'm talking about men. Well, you can't beat them up 'cause they're bigger than you, and you can't live with them, and you just can't shoot them, man. Yeah, that's you. Talking about those men. In the beginning, they always aim to please. Ain't that right? They're perfect in the beginning. They're perfect. They serve a purpose. They fill a need. They ensure survival of the species. Now they take you for a ride and run out of gas. Most of the time you're a pain in the yeah, man. I'm talking about man. When you can't beat them up 'cause they're bigger than you, and you can't live with them and you just can't shoot them, man. Oh Lord. Talking about those men. Silver tongued devils. Woo! Yeah, they're lying through their teeth. Baby, they're gonna tell you anything you wanna hear, just to sweep you off your feet. Oh yeah, man. I'm talking about man. Yeah, mortal man, that's all they are, baby. They're just a real mortal man. Oh, you, me. Thank you.